Now we will discuss about the classification of matters. How we can classify the matter? We will see. The matter can be classified into physical classification and chemical classification. That means as per the appearance, if we will classify, that is known as physical classification. As per the composition, if we will classify, that is known as the chemical classification. In the physical classification, the matter is divided into three types: solid state, liquid state and gaseous state. In standard 9 in your science book, you have studied about solid, liquid and gas. In the solid, the intermolecular space is very less, the density is more. In the liquid, the intermolecular space is moderate, and in gaseous state, the intermolecular space is more in compared to solid and liquid. Here density is moderate, here density is very low. That means gaseous state or gases can be compressed more. Okay, solid shape, fixed shape and fixed volume. Liquid shape, no fixed shape but fixed volume, and the gaseous shape, neither fixed shape nor fixed volume. Okay, now come to the chemical classification. As per the composition, the matter is classified into two types, that is pure substance and mixture. Again, the pure substance is divided into two types: elements and compounds. Elements directly we are getting from the periodic table, that is 118 elements we are getting. And the compounds is again two types, that is inorganic compound and organic compound. Inorganic compound means the compound which is related to non-living things. It is non-living things, that is known as inorganic compound. The minerals, salts, sodium, potassium, these are present in the periodic table. These are known as the inorganic compounds. And the organic compounds, these are related to the living things. Okay, living things. In standard 10 you have studied about carbon and its compounds. These are the organic compounds. In the organic compound we will study in our chemistry, that is organic chemistry. Okay, organic chemistry. It is totally related with carbon. When carbon is connected with oxygen or hydrogen, so these compounds are known as organic compounds. If carbon is directly connected with hydrogen, it is known as hydrocarbon. Okay, hydrocarbon. These are the organic compounds. Why we take the carbon as an organic compound? As carbon has versatile nature. Versatile means infinitely many number of compounds can be formed by using carbon. So many things can be formed. Now come to the mixture. Mixture is divided into two types: homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. If similar things are there, then this is known as homogeneous. They can mix with each other. And heterogeneous means dissimilar things are there. So this is the total classification of matter. You see and write down in your copy about the classification of matter.